Alright folks, hope y'all enjoy the video and have a blessed day. Let's go. Alright folks, we're going to do a mail call video here. I got another sticker in the mail today and I'm just overjoyed about it. So let's look at it and see what we got here. It's from Green's Blade Revival. Man, I really appreciate that. I think Nate, I appreciate that, brother. I think I got to know you through Bubba's channel. But I love getting the stickers. I mean, I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for this. And he sent me a little thank you card. It says, "Bobby, thanks for your channel and what it stands for. Here's some of my channel stickers for you. God bless, Nate." Well, God bless you too, Nate. I really appreciate it, brother. I get super excited over these stickers. I don't know why, but they just, I love collecting them. And I got some good news. I finally got mine in. This is a debut showing of my sticker. I got the rugged cross knives on the top and the bottom. I've got a little folded knife on each side. I've got my maker's mark in the center with the American flag inside the cross. And I don't know if you guys ever noticed, but the bottom part of this cross is a knife. I just love it. Love the cross. Love what it represents. But these are my stickers, guys, and I'm going to be getting everybody that sent me stickers. I'm going to be getting them out, and anybody else that's asked for stickers, I'm going to be getting them out real quick, like, guys. So I'll shoot y'all a message and let you know when I send them. But anyway, just wanted to share that with you, and let's get one of Brother Nate's stickers up on the board and make it official. I keep saying I'm going to peel these things off camera, and I never do it. So, but anyway, that's okay. All right, there we go. Brother Nate, you're gonna go. I'm gonna put you right here below Bubba. Show our buddies. Put you right there. Green's Blade Revival. Got Bubba's EDC test shop and Clark's Kentucky Knives up there. I am loving it, guys. Hope I can fill that whole board up and 10 more like it. But anyway, thank y'all for tuning in for this mail call video. Hope y'all enjoy it. If you hadn't hit the subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about everything in the comments. If anything I can do to help, just let me know, guys. Have a blessed day.
There a rooster crowing 6 a.m. Black rifle coffee, a few good friends watching the sunrise.